So no doubt one of the biggest precision stories of the summer was the announcement of a partnership between New Holland and Bluewhite. West Coast New Holland dealers can now sell, service, and distribute Bluewhite aftermarket autonomy kits. I recently had the chance to catch up with Alon Asher, he's Bluewhite's chief business officer, and I asked him about the significance of this partnership with a major OEM. Here's what he said.
We did start to work individually with a couple of dealers in the West Coast, New Holland and John Deere dealership, but really here working, collaborating, and partnering with the OEM give a much broader opportunity. First, to do a better integration to the product. Better integration means better performance, faster deployment time at more competitive cost, and also collaborating on the commercial front, working really closely with the dealer and the New Holland folks that assist on the training, on the implementation, using also lessons learned from other products on how to basically bring this digital and autonomous revolution for agriculture. This is very new for everyone, so definitely better to collaborate, and we're very happy on this partnership with New Holland. They have amazing team, both in the headquarters and working in the fields, that really looking forward on how to bring these amazing technologies to every grower, starting with the West Coast, but then looking at a broader scale.
New Holland and Bluewhite are also exploring future possibilities for factory-installed solutions. And to check out more about the Bluewhite Autonomy Kit, head to the Farm Innovations YouTube channel or precisionfarmingdealer.com. In the Technology Corner, I'm Noah Newman.